across the lake, Governor James Agri, Bob, Orengo, Chorna Meru, Governor of Siaya County.
I thought she should have left the details. Your Excellency, Right Honorable RAILA Amolo Odinga, Your Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, my colleagues, governors, and honorable members of parliament, the investors who are here in this great trade exhibition, if you may call it, and the people of Homa Bay, Osaureur, Nyasai Bear, Tosechete. Thank you so much. I'll be very brief. Gladys, we take pride in your success. And without a doubt, what you have done in this conference is worth emulation in every part of the country. And we congratulate you. It had to be you to give us a great start. And Homa Bay has not just taken off. I feel like Homa Bay is flying. Secondly, I also want to make a confession. My father is buried here in Homa Bay. So when Homa Bay is doing well, my father is feeling happy wherever he is. Asante sana. I just wanted to say two things. One is that devolution is working, and we can see investors are directly interested in bringing investment to the counties. And that being so, I think it is important for the national government to begin to think seriously about removing all the hurdles to make it easier for investors to come to counties directly. And we have seen today international investors and local investors coming to Homa Bay. I was being reminded by my neighbor, Governor Homa, when the principal secretary was talking about multiplicity of licenses. By the way, most of those licenses are national licenses. They are not local licenses. So it is national government that should put its house in order so that we don't have a multiplicity of licenses. Secondly, our duty as county is to create an enabling environment. In creation of that enabling environment, we need, again, the question of sharing of revenue between the national government and the counties to be resolved. There is no reason why the national government would continue to hold on money that truly should go to counties or clawing back on devolution. I want to plead with my colleagues in the parliament, because I've been in parliament. I look at bills coming to parliament. If you examine a lot of bills that are going to parliament now, there's a great clawback on devolution, whether it is health, agriculture, health. By the end of the day, another 2 years of that trend, counties will have very little to do and just become a sinecure. I think that issue should be addressed. Otherwise, Gladys, thanks for putting a great job. The big question now that is facing us politically is that one of Baba. Probably I would feel very constrained to live without talking about it. But Baba, I know you can walk and chew gum at the same time. And you can scale the stairs. I don't know what is worrying people, that you can be in Addis Ababa and be here in Kenya and still be part of this great nation called Kenya. So I have no doubt you'll be here all the time, including 2027. Asante sana.
Asante sana. I'd like to